Hello there and welcome to this week's short video on driving lessons, and we're approaching Leighton Buzzard. We're a student and we're approaching some temporary traffic lights, and it's quite a good situation this, and what you've got to remember is every time you come to some temporary traffic lights the situation might be slightly different. So when we get this one ahead of us now, I'm going to explain why we stopped, where we stopped, and what could problems happen in different situations. So as we approach it, we're slowing down. On the right there's a turn to a right turn down a side road, and on the left there's a left turn to a side road there, and then beyond that there's about 2-3 cars parked up and red lights saying wait, and then there's temporary signs on the right and left, and on the right hand side there's a grey car next to the temporary traffic light sign, which is a problem for everyone. So I've asked my students to stop at this point here, because if we go any further forward and stop behind the car in front of us, directly in front of us, we'll end up blocking that left junction, which would be a problem for any cars coming towards us who are turning, which you will see in a few minutes. A car does turn into it straight away. And also there's also the problem that even if there wasn't a junction there and we stopped behind that car, the cars coming towards us might not necessarily get past where we stopped and where the grey car is on the right, so there might not be enough space. So what we decided to do in this situation is stop at this point here, keeping a nice safe gap. You see the cars coming through now, so we'll just see what they're up to. The first car as it approaches, indicator comes on, turns down the side road, so that's a good indication. And look how much space they need to go around that car. So holding back in this position here is a safe thing to do, and it's the sort of thing the examiner would expect you to do this. If you go right up to the next car, you're causing problems. Now if there wasn't any cars there and just temporary traffic lights, then you're probably okay to go up to that first stop point where the sign will say wait here for the lights to change. And then all you can do is just handbrake neutral and wait patiently. And then when they've come through, I say to my students, get yourself ready. Lights are going to change at some point. And looking at beyond us, they're on red at the moment, but they're just changing. Get your gas, get your biting point, check over your right shoulder, right mirror, make sure it's nothing to try to go around you, be cheeky, and then proceed. So I hope you like this short video on temporary lights, where to stop, the reason why we stopped there. If it's helped you, give it a thumbs up and click on subscribe if you're new to the channel, and watch out for our next video next time. Take care everybody, safe driving.